In the early days, all submersibles or submarines, when they had viewports, there were small viewports, and of course you had to go close to them to see any kind of view. You had to go, and so in most submersibles there were just benches that you were lying on your stomach, so you could get close to the window looking down. And after a few hours it gets a little tiresome, but at any rate that's the way the operation was. And the first time I was in a submersible with a complete acrylic sphere, it was like the whole world changed, because it was like a helicopter. Stepped in and controls were right there. We'd look up at the ships or the support vessel. We'd look down at the bottom, divers swimming around. So it's a totally different world. So when I saw that on your submersible, I had to smile, because it was a big step.